Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we are taking a look at a beginner's arrangement of The Trooper by Iron Maiden. So let's kick things off by taking a look at the introduction. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the introduction, nice and straightforward. The key here is going to be controlling the guitar, cutting the chords off by applying your palm on the bridge. We're playing the E5. Then we go to the D5 and back to the E5. So you're holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Watch out for those stabs. Here we go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you're just going to simply repeat that figure.